Ugh, why do I have to be at this airport? I hate this. Time to take off. Wee. My engine is feeling weird. Oh God, my engine just fell off. Why am I a DC-10? Oh nitrogen monoxide, my life is over. Please reincarnate as an A380.
It's been a nice flight. Time to descend. Whoa, what was that, anyway? Butter the bread. Ouchie, that was not butter. Oh God, this is not good. Tell my family I love them.
Hey KLM, get out of my way.
Wait a sec, I'm refueling.
How did you end up in front of me?
Okay, Pt.1 was weird. Time for takeoff. God, it's foggy. Wait, Pt.1, get out of the way.
Who said that? Wait, holy moly KLM.
Ouchie.
Oh, well, time for another boring flight.
Imago takeoff IDC. Oh, wait, I gotta hold.
I'm taking off. Wee. Wait, is that? Holy crap, get out of the way.
Ouchie.
Well, we both survived, thankfully.